Welcome to the Central Waqf UMEED Portal. Let's continue. Now upload Waqf photos using Choose File option. Please note, user can upload multiple files and can see the count and name of the files. Now, let's enter details of the survey and field survey. Whether survey of the Waqf is completed. Select yes or no to indicate if the survey is completed or not. Now enter details of field survey. Enter the unique field survey number in the selection. Select the date on which the field survey was conducted. Now enter specific survey remarks or notes in field survey details. Choose the type of Waqf from the drop-down menu. Please note, state name is auto-fetched from the details filled in registration page. Now select the district, tehsil or taluk, and village from the drop-down list respectively. LGD code associated with your village or locality will be auto-populated on the basis of selection. Enter khata number, khasra, khatoni, khetwa number, patta number, ward number, road number or road name, lane number, house number, and afterwards 6-digit postal code. Select the unit of measurement from the drop-down menu. Enter the total area of the property in area. Converted area in acres field is auto-converted in acres. Now enter details regarding boundaries of Waqf property describing what lies in north, south, east, west. Details of Gazette notification of Waqf, whether Gazette notification published for this Waqf. Select yes or no to indicate if an official Gazette notification exists. Details of mutation. Whether property mutated in revenue records for this Waqf. Select yes or no option to indicate if the property is mutated in official revenue records or not. Now click on Next button to proceed on to next page. A pop-up question will appear to ask you if you are sure to save these details. Click on Yes to proceed and No to cancel the process. After clicking Yes, another pop-up will appear saying do you want to add more properties in existing Waqf. Click on Yes to proceed and No to cancel. Congratulations, you have now successfully enrolled details of Waqf on the portal. Stay tuned in for more such informative videos.
अल्पसंख्यक कार्य मंत्रालय, भागीदारी से भाग्योदय।